Hello everyone, welcome to Remedies at Home. In this channel we talk about ingredients and some stuff which are available in your kitchen and which are very important to cure a lot of your body problems like acne, your hair problem, your skin problem, cold, cough, and a lot of things. And even in today's episode we talk about dry cough. Yes, we are talking about a dry cough which is chronic, and you have tried several medicines, you have taken a lot of syrups, a lot of people have suggested you that take this, do this, and you have tried a lot of options, but your dry cough is still in your throat and it's very stubborn, it's not going anywhere. So here with very simple ingredients you can get rid of your stubborn dry cough. So here is a beautiful yellow turmeric powder, and here is a ginger. In today's episode this is the main ingredients, ginger. What you can do, you can chop the ginger in pieces and you can sprinkle some salt in it and you can chew it. But I know that you would say that who the hell in the world is going to chew ginger with the salt, because it tastes like a hell and you're not gonna enjoy it. Obviously you can put some sweetener, but still it's very it's not good to eat it with your mouth, and I'm sure you're not gonna like it. So the another option is you can make a drink which is good for you, or you can make a tea. It's kind of herbal tea, it's kind of green tea. This tea is good for your dry cough. So what you can do, you can take a glass of water and you can mix half spoon of turmeric powder in it and just boil it. Also you can chop the ginger in pieces. I'm going to chop it now. Just chop ginger into small pieces, and once you have chopped the pieces you can put them in your tea. So here I am boiling water with the turmeric powder and I am waiting to start boiling. So I'm waiting for that, and meanwhile when it's boiling you can add some chopped ginger pieces in it. And you have to boil it very well. If you want you can add some pepper, and that should be a black pepper if you want that, but it's optional. Some people love the taste of black pepper, so if you are one of the person who like pepper you can add it, and if not then completely avoid it. This ginger is completely sufficient. Okay, so now it's boiling. So here is the drink which we have just made, and it's a ginger turmeric tea. If you're gonna take it 2 times in a day, in morning and in evening, you can get rid of your stubborn dry cough. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share. Thank you.